What's up? Step's in here, and my brother Shep, and we're just sitting next to a beautiful candle-lighted fire. What the heck did you just do?
I did nothing.
I don't think we were supposed to do that. I was just having a beautiful candle, and look what you turned it into. Something that's gonna burn our house down, bruh. Our house is literally right there. Don't do that. Don't do that. You're so mean. Oh no, now the wax is flowing over. Shepherd! Look at his guilty face. What the heck was that? Okay.
Talking about that whole camera.
They just... Okay, let's do this.
So, Snapchat, boom!
Okay, so look at his setup. When he rides his bike, this water bottle makes his bike sound like a motorbike. It's so sick. I'm not gonna do it right now. I don't know why. Okay, I guess we can do it. Hold on. I wonder if my flashlight works. Oh dang it, my flashlight's not gonna work. See, you won't technically be able to see it, but like, yeah.
You
here
can
it goes.
probably hear it.
Go. Just be quiet. So he literally sounds like a motorbike. It's so cool. I'm just gonna get a picture with you on that.
Here, I'll go ride it in the front.
No, don't. Sure, thumbnail. I'm getting a thumbnail. Stop. Thumbnail. Okay, that's so cool. But right now, our mom and dad are about to go on a date, and
Thompson, you're looking up. You're not looking up.
So we have a babysitter.
Yo, look, yo.
Oh my gosh. You remember our fire? It's gone. It's gone through some bad stuff in its life.
Ew.
Look at this wax.
Ew.
Okay. So,
This is horrible,
There's
yo.
only one thing I can do with this fire. Oh, dang it, miss. Stop it. On it.
Oh, yo.
Oh, it's been an ankle now. We gotta clean this up. I got the candle. I literally just popped off. Oh my gosh.
This easy.
Candle has something to say to you.
Bye.
Goodbye. Bye. Stupid candle. Yeah. Here's the hard part.
You wanna come? Hey, you wanna go? Oh gosh. Oh.
Yeah. Trying to light up.
Light the wax.
What's up?
What is that?
Wax.
Why is there wax in the little thing?
Because Shepherd made a candle, and then he put grass on it, and it lit. Shepherd.
Hey, you wanna come see me put this? I think you've seen it. Haven't they seen it in the second video?
No. This is the second video, you silly head. So, yeah. My brother, he got this game called Bombing Simulator 16.
Oh, and
He thinks it's so lit.
there's the little droid.
Yeah, so in first, you see here's the little droid that he was building, and here it is now. Pew, 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 pew. He's got it in the walking formation. And there's my computer. See, so my dad ordered me a charger for like $20, I think, on Amazon, and now he's gonna play. What are you gonna do?
Oh, I'm gonna show this.